Ben Cherokee.
We're out here at Sand Mountain. We're gonna see old truck versus new truck. Who can get up it quicker, or at all. So we're gonna start in the new truck. We're gonna run it in 4 low for the first time. We're gonna see if we can make it up Sand Mountain. Seat belts, just in case. Yeah. We're gonna make it! Yeah, we made it! I'm actually kind of surprised. Alright, we're in the new truck. We're going for round 2 because our camera guy had it in portrait. He's new. Don't bother him. Okay, here we go again. Alright, so we hit these whoops at the bottom really slow. I keep my truck down in 3rd, and then as we pass the whoops, then I kick it up into 4th and let it just crawl in 4th the whole way up. Gotta stay in 4th, it won't do it in 5th.
That is pretty cool.
Come on, Buttercup.
Oh, it doesn't even sound cool.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, these new trucks are so gay.
Just drift that.
Whoa.
Don't slam into Justin.
Yeah, buddy.
Look at these guys.
Yeah, they're racing. All right, now we're in the old truck. We're gonna see if it'll go up because apparently the new one makes it, so we're gonna see if the old one will make it.
Safety first.
Safety first, seat belts.
Gotta look through this giant cracked windshield.
Yeah, shush. All right, here we go.
I already know this one's gonna be much louder.
This one's gonna be much louder and bumpier. All right, here we go. I think this is faster by a lot.
It's a lot crazier ride.
Oh, buddy! Everything's falling, but it's okay. We're still gonna make it. Holy smokes!
Hell yeah.
Very much bumpier ride than the Chevy.
Whoa!
Starts on fire. Shit, it might have. He got up, but he's not getting down.
I think everything fell.
Can we take the Chevy up next time?
Yeah, that was fast. I want to try that in 4 high. I wonder if it would do it in 4 high.
Are you in low?
I was in 4 low. Hey, we did it!
It looked like you just started to burn up there.
That's because I upshifted.
I know.
That was so much faster than the Chevy, but way more bouncy. We lost some things in here.
Hey, it sounded better.
I bet. Go down. I'm gonna try it in 4 high, and then we'll probably race them. They both make it, so I'll be coming right back up. All right, here we go. We're gonna try 4 high now. See what it'll do. Kick the tuner up. 140 horses more. Go through the bumps.
Cow.
Wait for the bumps. Okay, we're in 1st. Get through the bumps. 2nd. Yeah, buddy!
Just flew by him. This is getting faster
We're
than
going
before.
40! Holy shit! I mean, holy cow! Oh! The bump at the top!
There's the one done for
Jeez.
sure. 40 miles an hour up
Going
Sand
40
Mountain.
up that thing. That was so fast.
Look at that guy.
We're going faster than he was for sure. That was so fast. We were going 40.
Holy shit.
Justin's keeping with us.
Here we go. There's 40. All right, we're gonna race the trucks and see what happens. Okay, let's just go slow. This is gonna be hard to record and drive because we're just holding phones. So that's where we're going. All right, we're racing. We got ourselves a race, boys. Yeah, buddy! We're smoking it! Got him!
He's an old big red. He's taking the lead.
Yeah! Old truck for the win! Alright! Got him! That's so hard to see. You're gonna do that one-handed. Oh shit, we're gonna die!
Good. That has a lot of black smoke, brother.
I smoked him out so bad.
Dude, there's black smoking me out.
Oh, new truck for the win. Oh, that was awesome. That was so awesome. There's our camera guy. Hello, Dustin.
That stunk very bad. Was it doing that black smoke before? That much?
Well, no, because I couldn't shift, so it was in second. So I slowed down, so it started lugging really, really bad. I was like, oh crap, put it in first, and it just, I was like, oh, sorry. Oh, that was so cool. All right, so we got all done. Turns out they'll both make it up. That one's way faster. All right, that's a wrap. Let's roll up.
All right, guys. A big red going up another mountain that's much steeper. He didn't make it, but he sure made a lot of freaking smoke.
Batman.